Jack E3 high-speed direct-to-drive power-saving Outlook with new appearance and servo motor. E3 has great technological innovation improvements of fully enclosed needle bar oil return device, optimized thread take-up mechanisms, and good motor torque, acceleration performance, and so on. Quality assurance. With professional integrated automatic body production line and professional motor and control box production workshop. Performance display. Use servo motor. Compared with normal Outlook, much safety and less maintenance. It saves 71% power. Fully enclosed needle bar oil return device, blocking oil pollution, clean and durable, improve customer satisfaction. Optimizing for the system of thread take-up mechanisms to adjust the thread picking at different time. Only adjust tension devices is enough, make sewing stitch more perfect. The hand wheel is designed with fingerprint and big fan, low noise, which makes the motor cooling effect better and the machine easy to operate. Superior value experience. Equipped with LED light avoid hanging material phenomenon. Common parameter introduction is on the panel. Press key P 1.5 seconds to enter parameter V, then press key S to adjust sewing speed. Press key P 1.5 seconds to enter parameter Y, then press key S to adjust up and down needle position. Press key S 3 seconds to factory recovery. Jack E3, new generation power-saving direct-to-drive Overlock machine.